Hi guys, my name is Darshan. Welcome back to a new video from Darshan's Multi Channel. So today I'm going to be posting a new video after a crazy long time. I know it's been a very long time since I uploaded a video because there's a lot of reasons. First reason is that school got over, I had to do lots of stuff, and I was going to shift. I shifted actually from my old place, which was like Devara, that's a place in Kerala, India, and now I'm in Karmashiri, a new place that's actually pretty far away from Devara. So because of that, I had to do lots of stuff like shifting and all. So I was pretty busy. So today we are going to be making a pterodactyl. So a pterodactyl is a dinosaur reptile that used to live around like millions of years ago. It's extinct, by the way, so you won't find anyone. I know you guys know this, but I'm just telling you, in fact you don't know. So anyways, we are going to be making the dinosaur out of foil right here. So let me take the foil piece and meet you in 1 second. The dinosaur actually has a very big wingspan, so we are going to be actually making it right now. So I'm going to make it like this. These two wings and the face, the head and the tail, feet part. So now let's actually make the dinosaur. So this is going to be the wings part, this is going to be the head, and this is going to be the tail and feet. So let's actually make the feet two thin pieces right here. Actually, I'm not going to go in such big detailing and all, so for now I'll just keep it like this, and later on we'll do the big fingers and all. So now let's go to the wings. Now give it a huge wingspan like that. Here come the hand. Here's the first wing. Let's keep it like this, and let's do a second wing. It's actually sharp right here. Let's make it perfect. Actually guys, there's something I need to discuss with you, but I don't know if I should do it actually, because it might be private to me, so I'll discuss it when it's actually meant to be told, because I'm not sure if that particular thing will happen. Okay, now let's get back to the thing. So sometimes you might need actually additional amount of foil, so I'll just take some more foil for the head. The head has a small problem because we can't make the lower jaw, so I'll just take some foil and see you guys. So alright guys, so I've taken the extra piece of foil. Let me just add it like this. I'll make a small turn, and then let's make the lower jaw. Let's just make the body more thin and perfect. The wings. Yes, so right now guys, you have made the pterodactyl right here, or the pteranodon. Both are same actually. Let me just make the feet more precise. Just making two sharp ends like that, and here two sharp ends. And there we have it. We have a pteranodon reptile dinosaur right here, extinct species. It's a pretty good model, I guess. For the wings, yes. So we have the pteranodon. Perfect, no problem. The jaw opens and closes. Just keep it more tight. Okay, so just keep like this for right now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm pretty sorry that I didn't upload anything for like the past few months, and as always, peace.